Okay, guys, I've got like 7 or 8 scurvy peanuts if you want them. Come on. Who wants them? Come on, Chip Chip. We got 3 chipmunks, 4 chipmunks. Come here, buddy. You want one? Chippy Chippy. Come here. Is that Bella? Bella. Bella. Come on, Bella. Hi, honey. Well, you have to wait for Bella. Come on, Chip Chip. I told them all that I got like 8 left, and Bella just took 4 of them. I swear she understands English. Come here, Chip Chip. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come on, baby. Come here. Come here. Come on. Chip Chip. Come here. Come on, get here. Hi, baby. You didn't want any. Come here. Boy, I gotta hand feed you. Come here. Come on. Come on, the other 2 chipmunks are gonna want to get in on this. Come on. Come on, Chip Chip. Get over here. Come on. Come on. Climbing up my back. Want me to feed you? Uh-huh. Grab your peanut and go. It'll be a chippy chase. You don't want to mess with this dude. This is a little boy. Come here. Come on. Hurry up, buddy. I'm going to save this one for the baby chippy, okay? All right, Chip Chip. Come here. Come on, Chip Chip. Come here, honey. Come on. Ew. Eating a dragonfly. Well, they're omnivores. They eat anything. I saw one eat a frog one day. Didn't do much for my appetite. You want this? You are a trip, dude. You're a trip. I'm trying to give you a peanut before you're... Look at it. Yeah, here she comes. All right. Come on, Chip Chip. Come on, Chip Chip. I got 1 left. 1 left, buddy. Come here. Come here. 1 left. All right, little girl. All right, honey. That's all I got. That's all I got. See? It's empty. I don't have any more, honey. I don't have any more. Go on.